Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a great news coming from Infosys that Infosys interview result has been declared. So now a student is getting the offer letter. So now students are getting the offers letter, and you see the date of exam was 26th of December 2021, and the interview date was 6th of January 2022, and the offer letter is released today, that is 8th of January 2022. Now you can see here, so offer of employment, virtual onboarding and training. So this mail has come to one of our student, Amit Sisodia. Okay, so dear Amit, congratulations. And you can see this line, please find attached the offer of employment with your confirmed date of joining for the role of system engineer. Okay, you can see this mail has come to January 8 2022 at 5:53 p.m. Okay, and his date of joining is 21st of January 2022. So friend, each and every detail has been provided here. So the name of the student is Amit Sisodia, and the exam date, so he wrote the exam on 26th of December 2021. His interview date was 6th of January 2022, and the timing was 2:10 p.m. and the offer letter released is 8th of January. Okay, and you can also see the time 5:53 p.m. That means almost 2 hours before. And his date of joining is 21st of January 2022, and his branch is Triple E. So now, friends, Infosys has started sending the interview result, okay, the offer letter, and definitely, so there are many factors on which it will depend, because many of you might have given the interview but you have not got the offer letter or the result. So Infosys does in batches based on the requirement, so there are a lot of things has to be considered before Infosys sends this result. So you can read it. Congratulations, we hope you and your family are staying safe and keeping healthy. We appreciate the resolve and patience you have kept in matters of your joining date. At Infosys, the health and well-being of our employees is a key concern. And in keeping with the same, we would like to congratulate you once again for your successful participation in our selection process. Please find attached the offer of employment with your confirmed date of joining for the role of system engineer at Infosys Limited. So we are not showing the offer letter here because that is against the company policies. You can see, please find attached the offer of employment with your confirmed date of joining for the role of system engineer at Infosys Limited. Okay, kindly note that this is a conditional offer of employment been extended to you on the basis of the information that you have filled at the time of selection process. If you fail to meet any of the selection criteria, that means if you do not meet the criteria of percentage or the educational gap or the backlog, so all the academic eligibility criteria for joining has been given here. Okay, now, so our launchpad team should soon be getting in touch with you regarding the onboarding process. Regarding any concern that might crop you during such period, feel free to get in touch with over a call for any changes in your existing profile, or please mail us at this. Okay, now, so please make sure you mention your candidate ID and role in your all communication with us. So friends, and you can see this has come from the human resource department, HR department of Infosys Limited. So once again, I wanted to tell you, so if you have given your interview, please wait. So one by one, everybody will get the interview. If you're in very much hurry, then you can reach to the Infosys team, which is not good. Please wait, okay, for some more days. So again, I'm saying name is Amit Sisodia. So congratulations, Amit. And he has written the examination on 26th of December. Interview date 6th of January. Offer letter date 8th of January. And the joining date is also very, very soon, 21st of January. It happens based on the company requirement. His branch is also not CSIT. His branch is Triple E only. So earlier what was happening? So they were sending first to CSIT department and all. Okay. Now, so I forgot to ask his pass out year. So I will be mentioning the pass out year in the comment. First comment you can see, I will pin the comment. So you will be able to get his pass out year. So no need to, you should not have any problem with this. So I will definitely mention the pass out year, and any kind of queries, please put in the comment box. I will try to reply if I can. Thank you. Take care. And definitely we will meet soon in the next video. All the best for those who has